Hi everyone, so I'm down to my last couple packages of swaps, so I need to know if I received everybody. So this is Sherry's. I'm gonna open Janice in this video, and then for the last video of everybody's that I have right now, I have Vanetta, Christine, and Allison. And then that's it. So if I have not shown your swap yet, please comment down below, send me an email, send me a message on Instagram, let me know. And I also have to go back and look at the list of people that sent me tracking numbers to make sure I got all of theirs in. But yeah, just help me out, guys, and let me know if I have not shown your swap yet or if I did not list it off in this video, because that's all that I have for right now. So let's jump on in. Look at this cute little die cut or like little ephemera piece that she sent. So cute. And then this Creeping It Real. Love me some spiders. I think these are from Joann's. I did not see these at my store. They might not be from there, but it kind of looks like that. Same packaging. And oh my gosh, you guys, she sent me a Halloween little journal book. Obsession, you guys. So stinky cool. Oh my gosh, look. Like every few pages. Oh, you guys can't see, huh? Every few pages. Oh no, I think every single page she put something. So it has like washi or a die cut. Oh my gosh. So cool. She added like paper in here. Little pom-pom trim. Okay, I totally need to make one of these. Okay, I've talked about how I want to like coffee dye. Oh my gosh, look at this girl right here. Oh my gosh, we need to name her. What should we name her? Let me know down below in the comments. I'll pick a name and I'm gonna write it right here. I am so in love with this. So I have not like done a coffee dye book, but I'm wondering, can I just like dunk this whole thing in like a tray of coffee, you know, and then like let it air out? Not this particular one, but like if I make my own, let me know. Has anybody done that? Oh wait, there's another girl back here. Okay, definitely leave me names down below in the comments. We are going to go ahead and name all these dolls, and I gotta go through and see if there's only 2, but yes, leave me some names down below. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, I don't know why my camera's not wanting to focus, so let me see if I can fix that. Okay, hopefully this will work out a little bit better. So she's so sweet. She made me want to put my name on it, and it's spiders. You guys know I love me some spiders. Ooh, I like this paper. It gives me like Oogie Boogie vibes. So in our first compartment, we have paper clips. Oh my gosh, and a ton of charms. Whoa, look at all of those. So we have skull, spider, spider web, skeleton, haunted house, bat. Oh wait, there's a chain here. What's on the chain? Oh my gosh, it's a Jack and Sally necklace and like a little infinity symbol. How stinking cute is that? I actually want to get a tattoo of a little infinity symbol, but I wanted to have like my godfather's signature like in it, because that was his and my godmother's like symbol. So it's crazy. I wouldn't have believed it if I wouldn't have seen the picture. So when they got married, somebody was up on the second story of the church, on the second floor, taking a photo down. And the way that the light came in through the church actually made the infinity symbol over their heads, like just light through the window. So cool. So that is like their symbol. So yeah. Okay. me and my little side rants telling you guys my whole life story all the time. I'm so sorry. I always say like I'm not gonna do that anymore, and I just can't help it. Like everything makes me think of a story and I just start rambling. So I'm like, if you guys been watching me for a long time, you guys know that's just how it goes around here. Oh my gosh, look at the little dragon too. Oh my gosh, I love everything in here. Oh, look at the little like batty bat. Oh wait, look at this paper clip. I've never even seen that paper clip before. Oh my gosh, you have so much cute stuff in here that I've never even seen. Love that spider. This is like my favorite color right here. A dark, deep red. That is my favorite color. Let's see, over here we have, oh, a ton of flat packs. Ooh, look, a Jack. It's already got the little charm eye pin in there. Never seen that before. Little bag of candy, candy corn, some skulls, Oogie Boogie, kitties, little bat. Oh, see, I don't have these in my stash. These like little bags of candy. Then a ton of tiny little nail art. Oh my gosh. Look at that little candy with the eyeball in there already. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Like something actually fell in my nail over here. Oh, it's a little mummy dude and a tiny little broom. Oh, I cannot wait to use those. That's going to be so much fun. Oh, can't even close that now. Let's see. And our next one, it looks like we have some... Okay, our next one we have some beads and then a ton of die cuts that she already put together for us. Look at this. Oh my goodness. She like painted him already. So got a little skull on fire. Never seen that before. Little batty bat. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And she even did like little like super light gray highlight. I don't even know if the camera will pick it up, but it's actually like shadowed out. Oh my gosh. Look at these tiny seed beads that she glued on for the eyeballs. That is so cool. Oh, look at this guy. Oh man, I wish the camera would pick it up better. There is like very, very light gray shadowing to the skull. I love it. Oh, these are so cool. Let me see what else is in here. Yeah, there's a bunch of like different candy corn. Oh my gosh, how cool would it be to make little bat candy corns? That'd be so stinking cute. I want to say this is like a little dragon down here. Yeah, like a tiny little dragon dude. Oh my gosh, those are so cool. Love that. In our next compartment, she did some wire wrap beads already. Oh, look at these little skulls with a little bow. Super tiny. There's a couple in there. I think I dropped an eyeball. Then we have some wire wrapped beads right here. Ooh, where are these from? I don't have these. I like these. They're kind of like a flat circle. You'll have to let me know where you got those from. I really, really like those. Oh, look. And then her lettering is like little, like regular round beads. Love those too. Oh my gosh, look at her tiny little seed beads, you guys. Super tiny. I can't imagine trying to get those onto the head pin. Then we have two beads right here that you can go ahead and bead yourself. Oh my gosh, cuteness. Look at the little ribbon. So we got skulls, jack-o'-lanterns, and ghosties. Then we have more wire wrap beads in here. Oh, look at this pumpkin. Oh, wait, he's attached on here. Oh, that's cool. I've never seen that pumpkin. It's like a little metal pumpkin. That's very cool. I've never seen that dude before. And over here we have, oh, there's where the eyeballs came from. So we got some eyeballs and some beads and some little like tiny ghosties. And then we have, let's see, we have clay spider webs, like little sprinkle clay pieces, stars, diamond dots. Ooh, a little moon over here. Oh, some bones. I don't think I've seen the bones. Definitely don't have that in my stash. That's very cool. I love when you guys send in things that I've never seen before. Holy moly, look at this. It is already put together flower pieces. Look at how tiny that is. She stacked two of them and put a seed bead. And then, are these all completed? Oh my gosh, I think she did. She glued two flowers together already. So you could just go ahead and put the center that you want in there. And there is a ton of flowers in here, you guys. I cannot imagine how much time and work that took to glue these tiny little flowers together. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Wow, that is a lot of work. I mean, they are small, you guys. They're super tiny. Let me get one of these out. Like, look how tiny this is. It's like the growth of my nail. Look at that. So tiny and so cute. Love it. Thank you so much for joining my swap and sending me one. So our next swap comes from Janice. There's the 3 here in the pill box. And then I'm going to guess this one's mine because it's a little bit different. So it looks like it's the same. So she did the pill box. And then she did a beadable pin and a Pokie tool, which is exactly what it looks like I have over here, but just a little bit different. So let's open mine up and see what she sent in. So in the bag, we have some skulls, some spiders, and a flower. So I actually just wire wrapped one of these because you can see that it's not a bead, but I wanted to use it. So I'm going to do a video on how I went ahead and I wrapped it to use it as a bead. And then everybody did get a Pokie tool. Oh my god, I did not see this skull at first. Oh my gosh, where is this from? Okay, you definitely have to let me know where this skull is from. I'm obsessed. And is it like a glass? I think it's glass. Oh my gosh, I need to know what that's from. That is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, so funny. So I bought some of these from Dollar Tree because I want to do a tutorial with these. So yay, got more of those. Then here are some of the beads that are down in there. Here is her beadable pin. I actually love this black flat bead. It's so unique. Like most beads are round like this, you know, so I love items that are unique, just like that skull. Gotta let me know where it's from. And then, oh my gosh, too cute. Where did you get the container from? Look at that. Oh my gosh, obsessed. Let me know where this container's from too. Okay, we got circle sequence. We got clay little tombstones, clay skulls, clay coffin, seed beads, moons. Oh, some ghosties over here, some glitter. Oh my gosh, I need to know where you got your skulls from. That is so cute. And then here is the box. Okay, how do I get into this? Okay, just pop that off. And let's see, we have some flat backs. We have some candy corn, some beads. I love these little dudes. I don't know where everybody's buying these from. Oh my gosh. This totally gives me Nightmare Before Christmas vibes. I love this. Why do I not have this in my collection already? Love that. These orange little like iridescent ones, love those too. Okay, these little ghosties, they're in my Temu cart. I just haven't, you know, bought them yet. So cute. I definitely need to buy some of those. Okay, I love these. I got some of those from Temu. Oh no, there's like a bead stuck in there. I bet I could get it out with a Pokie tool. And then there's just a bunch of charms in here. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Cute. Did you add? I think she glued the rhinestones in the eyes. So cute. Oh my gosh, I need to do that. She decorated the skulls for us. Thank you so much for joining my swap and sending me one. Thank you to everybody that's watching. Like I said, let me know if I have not shown your swap yet or if I did not list it off because we are wrapping this up. All right, bye guys.